Hey there, fellow shoppers and savvy savers. If you're an Amazon Prime Visa cardholder, you know how awesome the rewards and perks can be. But let's face it, keeping up with your statement balance is key to avoiding those pesky late fees. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to pay your Amazon Prime Visa statement balance quickly and easily. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just need a quick reminder, stick around. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you have your Chase account login details handy, as the Amazon Prime Visa is issued by Chase. Start by opening your web browser or the Chase mobile app. Head over to the Chase website or log in via the app. It's secure and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with all your accounts listed. Next, locate your Amazon Prime Visa card. It might be under Credit Cards or your main accounts section. Click on it to view the details. Now, look for the Payments or Make a Payment option. It's usually right there on the main page for that card. This is where the magic happens. Select the option to pay your statement balance specifically. You'll be prompted to enter the amount. Double-check that it's the full statement balance to keep your account in good standing. Then, choose your payment method. You can use a bank account, debit card, or even another credit card if needed. Enter the necessary details like your routing number or card info, and review everything for accuracy. Hit that Submit or Confirm Payment button, and you're almost done. You'll get a confirmation screen or email shortly, so keep an eye out for that. Pro tip: set up autopay in your settings to avoid missing payments in the future. It saves time and stress. And there you have it. Your Amazon Prime Visa statement balance is paid, and you're free to keep earning those rewards. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.